Sugar Bains, and I'm gonna ask Joe Bains, how do you make your body sensitive to insulin? Over to you, Joe, guessing
Well,
man.
I'm glad you asked that question. To make your body sensitive to insulin, first one is exercise. You want to basically deplete the glucose in your cells, in your muscles, and the way to do that is you do weight training. Weight training is very important, and you also want to do HIIT exercises, which is high intensity exercises. Those two will make your cells more sensitive to insulin. On top of that, you want to starve your cells of glucose, which will also make them sensitive to insulin. Because obviously, when you starve them, they give me insulin, give me glucose, give me glucose. And the way you do that is with intermittent fasting. The most effective intermittent fasting for diabetes is a 16-hour fast. So what you do is you pick 16 hours in a day where you don't eat. You drink, obviously, water and stuff like that, but you don't eat. So you can pick, like, for example, for me, what I do is I pick 8 o'clock in the evening. So 8 o'clock in the evening, I stop eating. And then I don't eat again until 12 o'clock the next day. And I do that every day. And now, once you've reversed your diabetes, you can then start adding cheat days on top of that, where you can eat anything. But for the moment, you just want to just every day, just pick this window where you don't eat. So you're only allowed to eat in the 8 hours outside of that. So you're only allowed to eat then, for example, for me, from 12 o'clock in the afternoon till 8 o'clock in the evening. And I normally would have about 2 meals in that time, 1 or 2 meals.
Thank you, Joe Bains. That was very helpful. I understand every word, and it was a wonderful explanation.